Okay, hi, I'm Vincent. So what I've got today is it's a change and shift in mindset. So a lot of us, especially for myself, I've been always wanting to think what think of the opportunities that I have out of KKM, out of the hospital. And it's a lot of fear. It's a lot of fear in me to want to step out of the hospital, not knowing what are the opportunities out there, right? So coming here really broadens the my horizon about what are the opportunities out there, career, and knowing myself better. I think we need time to sit down to process and listen to opinions and views, and then think through about ourselves. And I've also got most of us, we kind of have some idea about what we want, what we don't want, but we don't have a structure on how to proceed, where to head towards. So